I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan with Bell Canada can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Canada website and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your current plan details and options for changes. Step 2. Navigate to plan options. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Plans or Change Plan. This is where you can view available plans and their details. Step 3. Select a new plan. Browse through the available plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to compare features and pricing. Step 4. Review changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and save. Once you are satisfied with your selection, confirm the changes and save your new plan. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble changing your plan. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Good luck!